Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we will see consignment account, a simple problem. In the previous class I taught you one problem. Consignment, in the books of consignor we prepared three accounts: consignment account, consignee account, goods and consignment account. In the books of consignee we prepare only the consignor account. So how do we prepare that? That we'll see. Please remember one thing, if you understand the problem, nothing to worry, practice is required. Now today problem, I'll explain this problem, then after that pause the video and you work out by yourself. And you can check the answers with my answer. That would be a right way to practice, right? Okay. So let me explain this. After explanation, pause the video and you can work out by yourself. See the problem, it's given on the desktop. Rajini consigned goods to Radha valued at 10,000 rupees to be sold by the consignee at 5% commission. Rajini consigned goods to Radha, means Rajini is consignor, Radha is consignee. Value of goods 10,000 to be sold by the consignee at 5% commission. Commission is 5%. The consignor paid freight 2,000 rupees. Rajini received, means consignor expenses are 2,000. Rajini received account sales from Radha showing the following particulars. What are those? Gross sales, means Radha sold goods 15,000 worth. Selling expenses 900, Radha's expenses. Commission 750. It's already given 750, so we can take directly 750. Prepare the relevant ledger accounts in the books of both the parties. I'll explain you. First, what do you write? Consignment account first, goods sent on consignment debit side you'll write, that is 10,000. And consignee's commission, and after that the consignor paid freight expenses to bank, freight expenses 2,000. And gross sales by Radha. When Radha is selling goods, by Radha 15,000. And selling expenses of Radha to Radha 900 selling expenses. Commission to Radha, in brackets you can write commission 750. That's all, consignment account. Then after that you can go for consignee's account. Rest of the processes you know it. If you know consignment account, everything is over. Pause the video and start workouting. Otherwise, go ahead with my explanation. So now here we are preparing in the books of consignor, in the books of Rajini you can say. In the books of consignor, consignor is Rajini. In the books of Rajini, we are preparing consignment account and Rajini's account, sorry Radha's account, goods sent on consignment account. Next, in the books of Radha, Rajini's account, consignor account. Okay, now we'll go ahead. First, Rajini consigned goods to Radha value of 10,000 rupees to be sold. So, to goods sent on consignment account 10,000 rupees. Sent goods 10,000 rupees and 5% commission. The consignor paid freight of 2,000. Consignor means Rajini paid 2,000 rupees. When consignor paid, you will say to cash account. Expenses in brackets you can say. It is 2,000. Next, after that Rajini received account sales from this. Gross sales of 15,000. Who sold? Radha sold. Sales will be on the credit side. By Radha. By Radha's account, sold goods worth of 15,000. And Radha's expenses are 900. So, to Radha's expenses 900. Then after that commission 750. Radha's commission to Radha's account, commission 750. That's it, over. Now we can use the calculator. 15,000 minus 12,900 minus 750. It is 1350 is profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. This is profit. 15,000 total. Over. Next, coming to the Radha's account. Radha's account, everything will take from consignment account only. Only one entry you will get which is not in the consignment account, that is advance entry. Advance is not given in the problem. So there is no advance entry also. Directly you take from debit to credit, credit to debit. That's it. So debit side we have Radha, on the debit side we have 2 times. So 2 times we'll say by consignment account. First one is 900. Second one is 750. By consignment account 750. And credit side we have 15,000. So that comes on the debit side. To consignment account 15,000. Over 15,000 minus 15,000 minus 15,000 minus 900 and 750. It comes 13,350. Yes, 15,000. So this is by cash. This is balancing figure. This 13,350 is going to pay by Radha to consignor Rajni. So this is the amount going to remit by the Radha to Rajni. Over. Next, goods sent on consignment. That will take it from the consignment account only always. Where is goods sent on consignment? Debit side. Debit side to credit side will say by consignment account 10,000. If any returns are there, goods sent on consignment, we would have find it on the credit side. There is no returns, so there nothing to write it on the debit side. So this amount will be transferring to the trading account. So 10,000, transfer it to trading account. Ink is over, I will use blue pen. So that's all over. Next, Rajini's account. In the books of consignee, consignor, Rajini's account. Same as it is you will take. So what we are going to write here, Rajini's related. First, Rajini's expenses. Rajini's expenses means we will say cash. Cash account. Rajini's expenses are 900. Or you can take from debit to credit expenses. And second one is here commission. Commission will say it as a commission only. Commission 750. Next, what else is the sales are there? Sales means you will say by cash. By cash. Sales are 15,000. So same one total. So 15,000 is the total. 15,000 minus these two, you will be getting 13,350. This is cash account. In brackets you can say balancing figure. Simple. If you understand this problem, in the coming classes only simple calculations, unsold stock, invoice, price, a little bit calculations you need to know. That's it. Nothing is there to worry about the consignment accounts. Okay. Let me explain you once again. So in the books of consignor we have prepared consignment account, consignee's account and goods sent on consignment account. What we have written? Goods sent on consignment debit side. All the expenses and commission will be on the debit side. Expenses of consignor 2000, expenses of consignee, Radha's expenses 900 and commission also. So Radha's commission, and when Radha sold goods, it comes on the credit side by Radha 15,000. So we got a profit of 1350. Okay. Then after that we have prepared Radha's account. Radha's account always consignee's account from the consignment only. Debit to credit, credit to debit. Only advance entry you'll get. Advance entry will be on the credit side. Okay. That entry will be cash account debtor to Radha's account. Cash account debtor to Radha's account means it is on the credit side. Credit side you will write by cash. Here in this problem advance is not given, so that is also not there. So debit we have two entries, so that is transferred here, debit to credit. Now credit side Radha we have one entry, that is also written. So we are getting balance of 13,350 means this is the amount is going to return to the Rajini consigner. Then after that consignment goods and turn consignment account. Debit we have 10,000, that is transferred to the credit side. Nothing else to write. So we are transferring this amount to the trading account. This is in the books of consigner. Next in the books of consignee. Nothing to worry, whatever you find it over there same as it is you are writing. So cash is cash. Only commission, remember. Commission is, we are not saying cash. Commission we are saying it as commission only. And sales also by cash. Nothing else. So same amount you are going to get. So this is in the books of consignee, consigner, Rajini's account. That's all. Now coming classes we'll see about unsold stock. How to calculate unsold stock. What is unsold stock? Simple, not sold. Say I have sent goods of around 20,000. Out of 20,000 goods, consignee sold only 15,000. Unsold is 5,000. That calculation we have to see. Many people get confused about this calculation of unsold stock. Nothing to worry, simple. I'll show you in the coming class. But till now, whatever you have learned, become perfect and practice it. So shortly I'll come up with unsold stock calculations. Till that period, keep practicing and don't forget to share these videos with someone who is struggling to learn the subject, because many subjects I have already prepared. Check it out in the description box or playlist. With lot of care I am preparing. Please do share. Let everyone to get the benefit. Take care. Good luck.